Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Julia Evangeline Knight, your sugar baby.
Wow!
Alright guys, so for today's content, another video, another unboxing. Alright, so let's open this in 3, 2, 1. Let's intro first.
Nood na tayo ng mga good vibes na mga video natin ni Ate Lia B. Tara at mag-explore, tayo'y mapangiti, mga saya niya na hatid sa atin. Ito ang vlog ni Ate Lia B.
Alright, so fragile. Actually, this is a reorder, pero it's been a while since I haven't ordered this from this seller. Alright? So, ayan. Hindi ko alam kung sino nag-cut dito. It's mga anak ko. And let's see, let's open it. So, once I open it, it's like this. And let's see. Ooh! Drakkar. Okay, may pa-freebie sila, guys. Drakkar Noir. Tingnan natin. Ang bango! Ang bango. Etong Drakkar is a men scent. Okay, may pa-freebie sila. Nakita ko agad. Ito yung unang nakita ko eh. Pagtanggal ko nito. Okay, so, it's bubble wrap. Let's see which one is this one. Tingnan natin kung nagbago yung scent. Hindi siya nagbago. Ganun pa rin siya. Still the same scent and ang bango pa rin. Alright. So, it's so refreshing. This scent is so refreshing. Pwede to pang araw-araw.
Nice!
Okay? And it's a woman perfume. Is the ano. Mamaya, pag black for him. Pag yellow for her. So this scent, actually it's not for men talaga. It's unisex. Okay? Hirap siya. Eto hindi ko alam kasi hindi ko pa natanggal yung takip. Pero let's see. Nakikilig ako. Bakit ako nakikilig? Like, oh my God. Okay, this one is also my perfume when I was in high school. Back in high school, isa to sa mga naging pabango ko, favorite perfume ko. And it's unisex. Alright, nakikilig na naman ako dahil ang bango-bango. Okay? And sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ayan. Basta mabango yung isang tao. Ayan, mabango yung isang tao na yung mood ko parang Alright? So, yan. But also, again, it depends on the scent kasi may mga scent po na or mga perfume po na ayaw ko. Okay. Dalawa siya. Actually, meron pa pong isang freebie. Okay. I don't know, it's a freebie ba? Or no, it's it's a freebie. Wait lang. 1, 2. Oh, it's a freebie. So we have tatlo pala, tatlong other freebies. So yung isa is the Dark Noir, yung naano natin kanina. Ito naman yung Ariana Grande Sweet Like Candy. Ang bango nito. Actually, from this store, hindi ko alam kung ano yung scent. Pero, I have a car diffuser na yung scent niya is Sweet Like Candy. And, nakaka-addict yung amoy. Hopefully, it's the same. Yeah, it's nearly the same. And yun nga, as per the name of the perfume, sweet yung scent, like candy. Okay? And the other one, Bath and Body Works Sweet Pea. Okay. Bath and Body Works, never ako bumili ng perfume nila or spray. Okay, so the Sweet Pea from Bath and Body Works, ano siya? Refreshing. Yeah, it's a refreshing scent. But more like, saan ko pwedeng iyan? I don't know. Siguro pang bahay-bahay lang. Ayan. Okay, and last one. Ano to? Last one. So it's a perfume for women. Yeah, naamoy ko siya. Konti kasi naka-close pa yung yung cap. But when we pag nakaamoy talaga ako ng pabango, guys, napapangiti ako. Kasi nga, ang bango. Okay, so this one, nagkaroon kami neto back, not last year, last 2 years din. Last 2 years, nagkaroon kami neto, but not this one as perfume. Body spray po siya. So, tabingi yung ano yan. Okay. Yeah, it's the same scent. So, yun nga. This one, I wanted to order it kasi nga, it's been a while since namimiss ko yung scent na ito. Dati kasi yung body spray. Yung spray na mabilis mawala na perfume. Mist. Ayan, mist. Perfume mist yung binili ko na scent neto. So, ngayon, perfume siya. So, magi-stay siya ng mas matagal. Not like the mist na 2 to 3 hours lang yung ano. So, let me introduce you now the 3 perfume that I bought here sa C Senteur Essential. Okay? So, the first one was the 147. This was my perfume back like 2 years ago then. And that was my everyday and travel perfume. Okay? So the 147 is the Chanel Chance. Okay? Chanel Chance. Ito yung mapapatanong talaga yung mga tao dito, guys, kung ano yung perfume ko. Alright, so, eto, Chanel Chance. And, next one was the for men, the unisex one. Like I said, back in high school, saka nung bata ako, like, elementary days, may pinsan ako na ito rin yung ano niya, yung pabango niya, and I was, doon ako lagi sa kanila. And, ito yung pinaperfume ko kasi ang bango. So, again, this one is unisex, good for women and men. And it's the number 21. And this is the CK. Ayan, Calvin Klein, the one. And this one, the 290, like I said earlier, the 290 is Ariana Grande Cloud. Okay, so way back January siguro. Ayan. Ati-atihan kasi yun dito sa amin. And may mga nagbebenta sa mga tiyanggi-tiyanggian. And I bought the spray mist na Cloud. And yun yung grocery, papunta school. Ayan. Yun yung pinapapang ko palagi. So, this one is the Cloud from Ariana Grande. So, yun guys, that was all for today. Hindi ako mag-spray or what kasi sayang pa. But, yeah, I'm happy. Hindi ako disappoint ni CA. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. And of course, sa mga gustong umorder, you can DM me on my Facebook page, Leah B 2.0 or Leah B 3.0, so I can give you the link kung saan ko binili. Overall, ayan yung mga perfume na binili ko. Hindi ako na-disappoint. Alright guys, so yun lang. Again, thank you so much for watching and see you on my next vlog. La la la.